Hey everyone, my name is Sara Paisner. I'm the owner of Synoptic Products, and we are your source for ballet needles in the United States. So we often get asked, what are the parts of a ballet needle and really any electrolysis needle? So this is a large scale model of the ballet stainless needle. There are a couple of key areas that you want to know what they're called so you make sure you get the correct needle for your application. First of all, this wide part, that's called the shank. The shank is what goes into your needle holder. The shank size is that letter that you see often on the package, the F shank, the K shank. We also have a tel needle and a H shank needle. The taper needles are a slightly different shape, but again, they determine the shank size. This portion is called the shaft. The shaft is the number for your needle. So for example, the F2 has an F shank and then a size 2 needle. And then the tip is exactly the same for every needle. That taper is the perfect taper for insertions, and it's the same for all ballet needles. Now, if you have an F2, it's going to be thinner than an F6. And the F2 is 1/3 the size of your F6. So they're all, the numbers are actual measurements. That 2 refers to 2/1000ths of an inch. The 6 refers to 6/1000ths of an inch. And so those sizes are absolutely related to the size of the hair follicle. So you'll often hear about wanting to use a needle that matches the hair follicle size. That's talking about the shaft. You want the shaft of your needle to match as close as possible the hair follicle size. For example, if you're doing really thin hairs on your upper lip, those are very fine, you want perhaps an F2 or a K2, depending on which needle holders you use. If you're doing underarm hair or leg hairs, that's going to be a much bigger hair, and therefore you're going to want a bigger needle, perhaps a 5 or a 6. And again, the K or the F is determined by the needle holder you use. The 2, 3, 4, that's determined by the hair follicle size. To learn more about how ballet needles work and how to choose your proper needle size, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on our website, also on social media at Synoptic Products, or you can give us a call, 919-908-0278. Look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for watching.